It is Thanksgiving today. Happy Thanksgiving. Shake. Shake. High five. This is what we make up for. At home.
That's really good on that fit. It's tough.
We went to the mall today and I only got a couple things, surprisingly, because I thought I would find a lot. There wasn't honestly much. However, I did find this cute jacket from Uniqlo. I think they sell both women's and men's of this jacket. And it's just like this brown color with this really cute collar detailing. I actually went into the mall wanting an outerwear, so I was really happy that I found this jacket. We stopped by Aritzia. I tried on this cute sweater that I've been eyeing, but I didn't pick up because I just feel like I don't really need it. But I got these socks because I heard the TNA socks are really nice, but I thought these were so cute because it has the frill. So if I'm wearing like a skirt where you can see my socks, then this will be a little cuter touch to the outfit. But yeah, I just picked up these socks from Sunday Best. So tired, but for the rest of the day, my sister and husband-in-law, not husband-in-law. My sister and brother-in-law are actually on their way here. They're almost here. And I'm so excited. They're here for Thanksgiving. So we all get to spend time together and we're going to watch the new Hunger Games movie, which I'm so excited about. We also don't go to the movies often, but when we do, it's always really fun because it just brings me back to like when I was younger. I always love having movie theater popcorn and candy. It's going to be a little double date.
Time to sleep.
No, for now, we're just gonna relax before dinner. Not the most aesthetic cup. I totally forgot that this cup said this, but I saw it today and I was like, so true. But I feel like this matches me when I'm like editing or filming. So this week is Thanksgiving week. I have like a pretty busy week because it's the holidays. We have stuff going on. Today I guess is my only day at home, so I'm trying to get as much editing as I can. So I'm trying to do all that, and then I'm also planning out what we need for dinner on Thursday. Hopefully I can get a lot done and I'm productive. We also have my brother-in-law's birthday dinner today. So it's kind of like an earlier dinner, so I need to be very fast and efficient with getting things done. We're just gonna get working. Sit, stay, shake, other shake, high five, down, turn around, play dead, good boy, up, good boy, shake, other shake, high five, Down. Turn around. Roll over. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, go. Go to your spot. Go to your spot, Cooper. Ready for dinner. It's not a super fancy restaurant, so I'm dressed pretty casually. Very simple, comfy, and casual.
To you. Happy birthday, dear Jay. Happy birthday to you.
No idea what I'm wearing. I think this is what we might go for. Okay, since it is raining, I decided on this trench coat. It's like this dusty blue trench coat. It's actually my sister's. She's letting me wear it for tonight. I have to do something on my hair. I feel like this is a vibe. It's casual, but still put together. I'm just wearing these baggy Levi's jeans. They're kind of big on me, so they're sagging around the waist. Not like entirely. It's obviously like really baggy here. But I like that loose look. This knit cardigan is from Uniqlo. This trench coat, I'm not sure where it's from. I think she might have gotten it from Nordstrom, and I'm not sure the brand. I figured out my hair. I just did a half up, half down with a new MEJ clip. It's so cute. And then put on some earrings from Jennifer Fisher. All ready to go. At Longer Garden. Yeah. 엄마. So cool. If you're in the area, you guys should definitely check this place out. It's so pretty.
Oh.
Oh, the lighting. Maybe this will look better. Welcome. It is Thanksgiving today. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm going to be preparing a nice Thanksgiving dinner for my family. My parents don't really eat the traditional Thanksgiving dishes, so my sister and brother-in-law are bringing turkey from their lunch, and then I'm preparing a bunch of side dishes and appetizers for today. They're all pretty simple cute and easy to make. I think most of them are. I'm also going to be decorating and setting up the table, so I wanted to show that to you guys as well. But yeah, I have to get started, so wish me luck. So I prepped everything for the scalloped potatoes, so we're going to move on to that. It is going to take the longest.
What you doing down there? What you doing? Oh,